in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a glueless 22-inch deep curly unit sent over from VShow Hair. I've seen their units all over TikTok, and their units look like they're pretty good quality, but of course, we're gonna find out for ourselves today. The cap construction for this unit comes with 0 combs. I'm talking about 0, zilch, zilch, nothing. But it does come with an elastic band inside. Now you can adjust and or remove this elastic band if you choose to do so. I would highly recommend leaving it in, or else your unit might go flying. Now currently I don't have a direct link to this unit, but by the time this video goes up, there will be a direct link to this unit in the description box, so check that to check all the facts that I'm about to state. But if I'm thinking correctly, this is a 5x5 closure unit, meaning you get 5 inches going across the front and 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Another thing is that this unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, which we absolutely love around here. This unit is pretty much ready to wear straight out of the box, but I did go in and shampoo and condition the unit, and then I laid it flat on a towel and let it air dry overnight. This is how the hair dried, and this is also how the hair came straight out of the box. Super pretty and super soft. I can already tell that this is probably going to be a really short video because all I need to do is pretty much tint the lace and then throw her on, and then I guess I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from VShow Hair. Like I stated earlier, this is going to be a really short video because this unit was so simple and easy to work with. The quality of this hair is A1. The curls bounce back like nobody's business. I'm barely getting any tangling or shedding, and the hair is super soft. I would say the density of this unit is around 150 to 180% density. Again, make sure to check the description box down below. It'll have all of the information for this unit. As someone who typically only uses the back comb in their units, I was a little bit iffy, nervous, scared that my unit wasn't going to feel as secure, but no, that elastic band is doing exactly what it needs to do. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say that this unit is big head friendly. I mean, it's fitting on my head pretty nicely and pretty secure, but I will say that it stops right where it needs to stop. Whenever I wear glueless units, I like for my caps to stop maybe right here, a little bit more further than what this cap is stopping, but at the same time, I'm not mad at this cap. This cap is exposing all of my edges and sideburns, which again, I'm not mad about, but if I were to just wear this unit in like just the side part without the additional baby hairs, if you will, or adult hair swoop, if you will, then you would be able to tell the line of demarcation between my actual hairline and where the lace stops or starts. Speaking of lace though, depending on how you tilt your head and the way you move your head, and also depending on the lighting, you can barely see this lace. Like, I have no glue, no spray, no gel, no nothing holding her down. She is completely glueless and she is blending in very nicely. For this to be a 22-inch deep curly unit, it's hitting, I want to say mid-back or right above my mid-back, which I don't know, for some reason I expected it to be a little bit shorter than this. Granted, I'm not complaining though. This unit is really pretty, perfect for the spring and summer times that are here right now. I'd even wear this on a vacation, like if I went on a tropical vacation, you know, because let's be real, when we're on vacation, we're not trying to do our hair every single day. So a throw on and go wear type of unit is perfect for that. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions about this unit. Let me know you guys down in the comment section below. Have you guys ever heard of VShow hair? Have you ever tried VShow hair? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TanDotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below. So again, make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.